Province of Abra. Culture, belief, tradition.
In the province of Abra in the Philippines, the Tingans, an indigenous ethno-linguistic group, have a rich history and cultural practices that have been passed down through generations. The Tingans of Abra are known for their strong connection to nature and their traditional way of life. They believe in the importance of preserving their cultural heritage and maintaining a harmonious relationship with their environment. One of the unique traditions of the Tingans is their intricate weaving skills. The women of the community are skilled weavers who create beautiful textile using traditional techniques and patterns that have been handed down from their ancestors. These textiles are often used in traditional ceremonies and celebrations. Another important aspect of Tingan culture is their belief in ancestral spirits and the importance of honoring and respecting their ancestors. They perform rituals and ceremonies to pay homage to their ancestors and seek their guidance and protection. The Tingans also have a strong sense of community and cooperation. They work together to solve problems, make decisions, and celebrate important events. This sense of unity and solidarity is a key aspect of their cultural identity. Overall, the Tingans of Abra have a deep respect for their traditions, cultural practices, and way of life. They continue to preserve and pass on their heritage to future generations, ensuring that their unique identity and customs are not lost to time.
Abra has its indigenous inhabitants, originally called Itneg, which is contextually the same with the word Tingyan. The word Itneg could be the combination of the prefix I that indicates a place of origin and the word Itneg, which means major river system. Some would say the word Itneg could be derived from the Ilocano words Iti-Uneg, which means from inside, which could be reconciled as people from the hinterland or mountain areas. The word Tingyan might have been derived from the Malay root word Tinggi or Tingge, which meaning encompasses mountains or elevated place and mountaineers. The Tingyan were divided in two groups based on their geographical locations. The lowland Tingyan, who were known as the wet cultivators, and the mountain and upland Tingyan, who were categorized as dry cultivator with hamlet-sized settlement. Abra lies in the towering mountain in the western side of Cordillera in northern Luzon. It is bounded in the west by the provinces of Ilocos Sur and Ilocos Norte, in the east by Kalinga, in the north by Apayao, in the south by Mountain Province. It is a landlocked province and now it has a 4 entrance and exits. The Abra, Ilocos Road, Abra, Kalinga Road, Abra, Ilocos Norte Road, and Abra, Cervantes Road. The Tingyan of Abra occupied almost of the municipalities in the province, wherein there are 19 municipalities defined as their ancestral domain. Here are the 12 ethno-linguistic groups of Abra: Gubang, Mabaka, Banaw, Binungan, Adasen, Agta, Amutan, Ormoyadan, Balatok, Belwang, Inlaod, Masaliit, Maeng. Come and visit Abra Province. It has hidden gem waiting to be explored. With its breathtaking landscape, rich cultural heritage, and warm hospitality, Abra offers a unique and unforgettable experience for travelers. From the stunning mountain to the serene river, every corner of Abra is a picture-perfect postcard waiting to be captured. Immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture, taste the delicious traditional cuisine, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Abra Province welcomes you with open arms, ready to show you the beauty and charm of this enchanting destination. Come and discover the magical of Abra.
Akas isa nga miyembro nga indigenous people na ayata nga umong mangayab di kayo nga bumisita kung makipagkay-kaysayan na namumi nga probinsya nga Abra.
Mani kay sina Abra, tamamuan ti daya na duma-duma a kultura ukaya. Dangdang ay sidong ilay, sali dong ay. Dangdang ay sidong ilay.
Dongdong ay sidong ilay, sali dumay. Dongdong ay sidong ilay, sali dumay. Alamat, handa, rap. Marami ang nangangamba, tayo pa rin ba ang pag-asa ng mundo nating napapalo ng kaguluhan at sakuna? Ang pagbabago ay dapat na sa sarili.